start giving now these flowers of apricot tree, cherry blossoms, as you can see. This is down from my brother-in-law, mother-in-law house. So I come here, you see, as you can see, our goats. This one also. Oh, ayun, yung bahay namin. I come down because I get some parsley or coriander leaves for my pakoras, or I make chana chat. And then this also, you can see this also plums. Oh, this is plums. This also apricots, but it's still not coming. Also this one apricots. This is plums. So I will go down. Ayan, tingnan nyo itong ano, daanan. Because spring season is coming. First week for March 1. So start already spring season here. Ayan. There is also here. There is also tree of apricot here. But I think still there is no flowers. There is little bit here. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Oh. Kunti lang mga flowers pa. Oh. Oh. This is peach. Village peach. Native peach. So we'll go there where we plant this. Some what you call this? Parsley or coriander leaves. Pagkain ng kambing namin, ha? Ayan mga leaves. Yung dalawang ano, baby, may ano, gustong lumabas. Andito yung ibang kambing namin. O yan, itong kambing namin iba. Oh. Ito yung mga sibuyas namin, oh. Ayan. Last November 14 ito tinanim. So inshallah by May ito i-harvest. Ayan. Ito yung coriander leaves namin. May mga ano din dito. Yung radish, oh. Kinakain ng kambing, oh. Ayan, oh. Kinain ng kambing. Oh, yun yung mga bawang, oh. Ito yung mga coriander leaves. Saan ba? Ayan, oh. May mga coriander leaves dito. Ayan. Kuha tayo ng coriander leaves. Ayan. Ito tinanim ni Lakay ito last year ng July. So kahit may snow noong last month, nakasurvive ito, pati itong mga radish. So, ayan. Lalaki pa ito pag next month. Lalaki pa ito mga coriander leaves. Kuha lang ako ng konti para sa pakoras at saka yung chana chat. And then magluluto din ako today ng yung chicken clay for our dinner after iftari, and today is third day of Ramadan fasting. And today is February 21. And very nice weather for today. And today is Saturday. So now time check is 1:20 p.m. Yan. Ayun yung bahay namin, oh. Ayan, mabango ito pag pag organic, native. Pero yung pag nabibili sa market, hindi mabango. Ito talaga mabango siya kasi organic. Ayan, madami dito, eh. Lalaki pa ito mga ito pag Yan, mga coriander leaves. Lahat yan, oh. Madami. And then, also, itong, coriander leaves or parsley, masarap din ito, chutney. Kahapon gumawa si Fatma ng chutney, o meron pa kaya hindi gagawa ngayon. Yung chutney masarap sa pakoras or pang appetizer ba. Yan. So tama na ito, marami na ito. Cherry blossoms or flowers of almonds. This flower similar to apricots also. This is also apricots but it's still not coming flowers. Also this one here. Ah. Our plums here also now is starting already flowers, cherry blossoms, as you can see. And this also apricots but still not coming flowers here. This is native, what you call this, peach. Still not coming.